Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to present my recently developed a PowerShell script. That script will help you to collect the Defender Antivirus client health status. So if you would like to collect the information directly from the end user device, this PowerShell script is going to help you. So this PowerShell script will provide you the multiple things, not only like a virus definition, it's having the many parameters. Let's review the PowerShell script. What are the information it's going to provide you? So here is like a screenshot. Okay, let it be. Let's come here. PowerShell script output in detail. What type of output you will be getting with the PowerShell script? So like computer name, antivirus enabled or not, AM engine version, AM product version, antivirus signature age, and when it was last updated, is your tamper protected or not, quick scan age, full scan, real time protection, signature fallback order, signature schedule, or even you can customize the PowerShell script according to your requirement. Let's see the output, how your output is looking like this. It's all the parameters cannot be covered up in the screenshot. It's just an example. So computer name, your antivirus is enabled or not, your AM version, your product version, and your antivirus signature age, your antivirus signature updated, last updated, all these informations. Let me move it to the PowerShell and I can show you the live. So here is the PowerShell script. What you can do, first of all, you can change your the path from where you have stored the device name. Let me go here, and this is what the text file I created. And once you added it, you can mention the name. I pasted the two times because I don't have like a active directory and I have only the one device from where I'm collecting the data. One wrong name I have mentioned to check whether if it is like a wrong device or it's not reachable, how the output it looks like. So you can save your file list and save it like a computer list, or you can name it anything, and you can replace the path over here. And then it's like this is like a PowerShell script, and inside this you can add or remove anything whatever you like. You can add it, you can provide the parameters here, you can add the any other features or any other options whatever you are looking or you are modifying. If you want to remove something, you can delete it from here. And this is kind of a table. If you are modifying here, then it's mandatory to update here in this table and in this table accordingly, like how you are updating. Finally, this PowerShell script will make a HTML format. If you want to saved on the CSV, definitely what you can do, out $out file, and you can mention it's in this way. Let me show you. If you want to export this on the like export, sorry, exp export hyphen CSV and hyphen path, and you can give your the path wherever you want to save your CSV format. Okay, so let me run this file. Let me delete and execute this, and how the output will come. So it's checking, and it will show you how much file is checked and how much is like is a successfully connected. Green in the sense is successfully collected the information, and it's like checking on 3, and but it was checking, but it's got failed to check it because this device is not exist. So that's how you can check it. If you have like a 10,000 20,000 and you want to track your script progress, you can see here like how much time it will take. Let's move it to and see your script output. It's here, and now you can see it's a host name, the antivirus is enabled or not, and the AM version, your product version, antivirus is updated or not, the last update, your tamper protection, and your quick scan age, your full scan age, how long it's not updated, real time protection is enabled or not, and what the signature fallback is set. This is set like a Microsoft update server and the MMPC, at what time the signature will update, and what is the interval. So in a day, one time my virus definition will update. So all these information you can get it in some good format. It's kind of HTML. Now the question is from where you can download it. You can go to the my GitHub account. I will paste in the video description. You can go there, and this is all about the PowerShell script. All the details, what is going to be collect, the prerequisite, what you need it. So you have to run the PowerShell script with the administrators. You should have like a global admin access on your account to connect with the PowerShell, and then you can collect all the information. Or your must have the local admin account on the remote. The PowerShell should be this should be enabled. The network and the firewall should be allowed. This is nothing but you should have your account should have the access to connect with the PowerShell. That's it. So no need to check any other thing. You just run the PowerShell script with the admin and check whether you are getting the output or not. If you have local admin access, definitely you will get the output and you can save it, and this is like a output. So here is the PowerShell script, or you can go do you can okay, so you can go here and you can download. So guys, I hope this PowerShell script will help you a lot to collect the device information for your entire environment, or if you are looking the output for some specific device. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you soon in my the next video.